Welcome to this demo about Turnkey Service Management with eCloudManager from Fluid Operations. You are a service provider in charge of delivering a large array of services to customers. Use the Lifecycle management and cloud automation features to provide fully automated base services. Our service mastering functionality allows application specialists to refine these base services and create new value-added offerings which can be published to and booked by end customers in the marketplace. You create an ecosystem for the exchange and purchase of products and services and maintain total cost control and transparency at any time. eCloudManager can manage all aspects of this offering. Bring your own device management, scalable and secure end-user access, identity management, service lifecycle, and cloud automation from a single turnkey system. Infrastructure as a service is not nearly enough to face each of these challenges. What you need is a holistic view including infrastructure, service design, end-user access, and the organizations of the stakeholders. You must answer the following questions. How the standardized operation of the complete infrastructure works. How services can be refined from infrastructure as a service via platform as a service to software as a service. How you can ensure secure user access to the services. How operators, departments, resellers, and end users could collaborate, and how collaboration, billing, and SLA and service monitoring could work in such a scenario. Let's go into details and see what the platform operator, service provider, customer, and end user can do with Turnkey Service Management with eCloudManager. The platform operator ensures availability of the whole infrastructure. He uses the eCloudManager provider concept to connect to the infrastructure components, gathers all the information from them, and use this data for provisioning and workflow automation. In the event overview, the platform operator takes care about the availability of the hybrid cloud infrastructure. In the service configuration, the platform operator can configure everything which is needed to provide all the different services to the resellers, end users, and customers. Here he can provide golden images, which are master templates for creating enterprise application environments including network, VM, and storage configurations. Those golden images are put together to predefined and ready-to-use enterprise application landscapes, so-called golden landscapes. Those golden landscapes can be deployed into different zones, for example, private, public, or hybrid. All in all, the platform operator is responsible to provide all the base services like backup, high availability, and so on. The service providers consumes those base services provided by the platform operator. He is able to offer value-added services by developing and providing service offerings based on the platform. Therefore, the service provider uses the landscape mastering feature to define new golden images and golden landscapes on top of the predefined golden landscapes of the platform operator. He gets an overview of his running landscape mastering instances or can create completely new ones by choosing a golden landscape and a zone where the new landscape should be deployed to. With the landscape as a service variants, The new landscape master instance could be used to create new services with the application know-how of the service provider. The customer admin is able to manage end users, put them into service groups, set password, and activate or deactivate their account. He is also responsible for the devices of the end users and can enroll, lock, and renew certificates of the single devices. The customer admin uses cloud service offerings and manages user access to the different services provided by the service provider. He gets an overview of the booked services and can book new services for his organization. The end user is allowed to use multiple devices to access the end user portal. It is accessible over the internet with a secure VPN, and he can use applications via RDP, VDI, or web. With Turnkey Service Management with eCloudManager, you as service provider have one system to manage the complete service management, which saves licenses and simplifies operations. You save costs by 100% automation, and you are fully compliant through standardization. The time to market for new services is really fast, because no coordination between infrastructure and application teams is required. You have a complete cost transparency in eCloudManager over all services and customers.